Hello guys, it's another day that Ron has made. Today we are doing ploughing, a skill, very skilled cows that are doing ploughing. So we want to plant some cabbages. So this is our day one where we are doing ploughing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and like and watch. Let's continue to see how the cows are doing it, ploughing. Yeah, very skillful, very skillful. And they are very trained. They know when to turn, they know how to walk, and that's the thing. We are finished with ploughing. Now we have prepared the nursery for the cabbage. These are the seeds. That's how small they are. That's how they look like. And you put one. You don't put a lot. You just spread them using the hand. You can see how he's doing it. He's spreading them so that they don't grow on top of each other. He is putting red soil so that water will be contained. He's putting on top of the seeds so that also the soil prevents the birds from eating the seeds. So he is covering the nursery. He will cover the whole nursery with the red soil. Now he is putting sawdust. Sawdust makes the soil retain water. So that is what he is doing.
soil.
Soil he is using.
Na da gwari. Ibang cái về cho qua cô.
It's also getting dark because of the trees. Our forest is just around the corner. So the shade from the forest has come. Now he's putting the sawdust. Sawdust is from the trees when you want to make timber. So it will prevent the water from evaporating a lot. So that is how it's done. You put on top of the, first we want to put some land soil. Now we are doing another topping with the sawdust. That's how it's done. You can see. Keep watching and you subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are new here. Welcome. Subscribe and like.
Heu imboka nyingi ikadira. Tibo igere. Ira nene mbere. Mbona niona 50? Niona 50 ingiri kuma 10. 50. Lakini waande onogeithio. Waande onogeithio. Ni hatu arega shuri ciathi. Ya gutwe nyeki. Nyeki na mbaukirite. Ndere nyeki orikira. Nyomba ukirite. Kumbate yote madhara te ngarikira. Na nguruki ande madhara. Yo na ukira. Sala kira hiyo tigara. Nada. Nita na uwe saide ni. Kile na uwe.
After we finish now covering, the last step is to water the seeds so that they will grow. You water with the jelly can and don't water with the sprinkler because it will make the seeds go deep. So that is how it's done. That's how it's done. You pour water using the can. Within 7 days, the seeds will wait for 7 days and the seeds will sprout out. If you are new, subscribe and like and continue watching to the end. That's the part where we get water, just next where we have planted the seeds. We are germinating the seeds. And then within 7 days they will be out. So continue watching till the end.
Kwanza ta iwe na ngata yo ukaugira chenga naru uwo karikia ugira chenga ukaje ukarikania shuri ugururu no kona taka mware riga kona kiki kinene are ba ya re kona ale ubanje uba mamu dibo kile uba rigira ni kama hivi are sana ni ai yote ano ai bijini itu yote hizo ndo banko yani wakie na ale bare ale mwate kuri kuri ale video mwana na mwana mayani ndio bare jana ndio ndio ndio